Hey folks, I fixed the skin on the other side. Slowly but surely we get a shape. Today with another viewport shading. I think you can see it better. The shape is of course not the final one, but that you have a frame. And I integrated something where we can get cargo. I know in the back are a ton of storage rooms, but I think that was still missing here. Only that you folks see it better, I made a small animation of that. Very basic, but if that integrated in the spaceship you can see it, not more so good. We get the container from above and save it in that rail. The dude moves up to the container and we can reach the content of them. I know, what a mess. Let's jump to the integration. We are now below the 12 containers. I have randomly stock items because it was too empty, but actually we need the space for access to the handles here. The door to onto the location is maybe here, but that is future. Before I can handle that, I got to update and change a ton of rooms around here. And on the way I can fix other things that bother me. In reality, I'm thinking about to stream in the next days for more progress. Then thanks so much for watching, drop a like and a comment if you want to help me out, and see you next time.